21st sum, the given matrix A and A suffix ij is I minus j. To find matrix A is symmetric or skew symmetric. What is my symmetric? Symmetric is nothing but A transpose is equal to A means it is symmetric. What is skew symmetric? A transpose is equal to minus A is nothing but skew symmetric. First I will find the matrix A. This is given as 3 cross 3. Therefore, let A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So apply here. Therefore, A11 is equal to ij, I minus j. 1 minus 1 is 0. A12. 1 2 means 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. A13. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Next, A21. 2 minus 1 is 1. A22. 2 minus 2 is 0. A23. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next, A31. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. A32. 3 minus 2 is 1. A33. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, apply here. Therefore, A matrix A is equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2. Next, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0. 2, 1 and 0. This is A matrix. Suppose if we are going to find A transpose, what is going to be A transpose? 0, minus 1 and minus 2. 0, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 0, minus 1. 2, 1, 0. Therefore, A transpose. Whether A and A transpose is equal, check it. A and A transpose is equal. No, this is not equal. So it is not going to be a symmetric. A is 0, minus 1, minus 2. A transpose 0, 1, 2. There is only problem is minus. So I am going to take minus outside from A transpose. Take minus outside from here. So 0, minus 1, minus 2 becomes 1, 0, minus 1. Take minus outside, 2, 1 and 0. So A transpose is equal to minus of 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0. This is nothing but A. Therefore, A. Since A transpose is equal to minus A, we can say A is skew symmetric. One of the important 2 mark sum, 22nd sum. Let A and B be two symmetric matrices. They given A and B. They given A and B are symmetric matrices. What is symmetric matrix? Therefore, we can write A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B because they are told these are symmetric matrices. What is the next thing to prove? What do I want to prove? To prove AB is equal to BA. I need to prove AB is equal to BA if and only if. If and only if I can write I of F. If AB is symmetric matrix, if and only if AB is symmetric matrix. AB is equal to BA if and only if AB is equal to BA, we can say AB is symmetric matrix. If AB is symmetric matrix, I can say AB equal to BA. This is nothing but reversible reaction. You can see in chemistry this reversible reaction. If AB is equal to BA, then we can say AB is symmetric matrix. Otherwise, if AB is symmetric matrix, I can say AB is equal to BA. It is nothing but opposite to each other, reversible. This AB equal to BA means AB is symmetric matrix. AB is symmetric matrix, then AB equal to BA. That's all. This only condition if and only if. It will go backward and move towards the frontward like that. So to prove this, what I am going to do, I am going, you know the formula. You know the formula. I am going to consider AB is symmetric matrix. If AB is symmetric matrix, if AB is symmetric. If I am going to take AB is symmetric matrix, I want to prove AB equal to BA. If I am going to take AB is equal to BA, then I want to prove AB is symmetric matrix. Since I am going to get if AB is symmetric, I am going to consider AB is symmetric matrix. Then, if symmetric matrix, what is the formula? You know A transpose equal A transpose is equal to A. If A is symmetric matrix, if B is symmetric matrix, B transpose is equal to B. If AB is symmetric matrix, then AB transpose is equal to AB. AB the whole transpose is equal to AB. Why? If A is symmetric, A transpose is equal to A. B is symmetric, B transpose is equal to B. If AB is symmetric, AB the whole transpose is equal to AB. You know the formula, AB the whole transpose. You were studying in 10th standard. AB the whole formula, what is that formula? B transpose into A transpose. Right, AB as it is. Since they given if only one if condition, if and only if, you need to put two sides of arrows here. If and only if condition, they given, you need to put two sides of arrows. You need to put two sides of B transpose, A transpose is equal to AB. So we know what is B transpose. B transpose is nothing but B. B transpose is nothing but B. A transpose nothing but A is equal to AB. Check it. BA is equal to AB. We got the answer. What do we need to prove? If AB is symmetric matrix, I need to prove AB equal to BA. I took AB symmetric matrix, so I proved AB equal to BA. Therefore, we have proved the result. Hence proved. Very easy sum, but you need to understand. Sum number 23, one of the important sum. They asked in June 2019. The first subdivision they asked in June 2019. So they given A and B are symmetric matrices. A and B are symmetric matrices. Are symmetric. If A and B are symmetric, I can write A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. This is called symmetric. If skew symmetric, it comes minus A and minus B. That's all. First subdivision they asking to prove. What I want to prove? AB to prove AB plus BA. AB plus BA is a symmetric. That is, they given the word only AB plus BA symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric? If I want, if a symmetric means if I want to take a transpose, I want to write as it. What is that? Is AB plus BA the whole transpose. I need to write as AB plus BA. This is the transpose. This is the symmetric meaning. If I going to write A transpose, then I need to write equal to A. If listen nicely, if A is symmetric, listen nicely. If A is symmetric, then A transpose should be equal to A. If AB plus BA is symmetric, then AB plus BA the transpose should be AB plus BA. That's all. AB plus BA. This one we need to prove. We need to prove this one only. So how are we going to prove? First I am going to take this one. I will take LHS. What is LHS? AB plus BA the whole transpose. Listen carefully. If we going to see sum number 15, first subdivision, there is one formula. Sum number 15, the first subdivision, there is a formula. What is the formula? A plus B the whole transpose, we can write as A transpose plus B transpose. A plus B the whole transpose. A plus B the whole transpose, we can write as A transpose plus B transpose, or as B transpose plus A transpose. We can write anything. A plus B the whole transpose, we can write as A transpose plus B transpose. The same. A plus B the whole transpose, we can write as AB. See, AB the whole transpose plus BA the whole transpose plus BA the whole transpose. We know the formula. AB the whole transpose formula. What is the AB the whole transpose formula? AB the whole transpose formula is nothing but B transpose. First, the last one come first. B transpose into A transpose. Same here also. A transpose into B transpose. We know B transpose B. A transpose is A. A transpose is A. B transpose is B. A, BA plus AB. Arrange it properly. First write this one. AB plus, write this one, plus BA. Therefore, AB plus BA the whole transpose. AB plus BA the whole transpose. Nothing but AB plus BA. We got, this is RHS. Therefore, AB plus BA, AB plus BA is symmetric. Very, very easy. Okay, next we move to a second subdivision. Second subdivision to prove. What I need to prove? Our proof is something but AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Listen, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. AB minus BA is skew symmetric. You know the meaning of word skew symmetric. AB minus BA, right? AB minus BA the whole transpose is equal to minus of AB minus of BA. That is, I need to prove this one only. Minus of AB minus of BA. For this, first I am going to take LHS. What is LHS? AB minus BA, the whole transpose. The same what we use in A minus B, the whole transpose we can write as A minus B. The whole transpose we can write as A transpose minus B transpose. The same second subdivision. 15th sum, second subdivision. 15th sum, second subdivision. A minus B, the whole transpose we can write as A transpose minus B transpose. The same here also. AB, the whole transpose minus BA, the whole transpose. So how I can write B transpose, A transpose, B transpose, A transpose, A transpose, B transpose, A transpose, A transpose, B transpose. So what is B transpose? B. A transpose A transpose A, B transpose B. So but AB minus BA, here BA minus AB. So take minus outside. If you're going to take minus outside, this minus comes outside. No, so it becomes plus AB. This will come minus BA. What is the left hand side? AB minus BA, the whole transpose is equal to minus of AB minus BA. So we have brought the final condition, the RHS. Therefore, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Easily we solve the sum. Very easy sum. One of the in this sum, the first subdivision they asked in public examination. So this very important sum in 3 mark sum. Thank you.